1a. Agriculture is the act of using the natural property of trees to grow seeds in the soil to meet their needs. B. People left the forests in the Neolithic age and moved to the plains along the lakes and rivers. C. Initially, people used stone tools, tree branches, animal horns, bones, etc., to cultivate the land. D. The plow was first invented in Mesopotamia around 4000 BC. E. Agriculture began around 9,000 years ago with the use of tools. F. It is said that animals like cows and buffaloes were domesticated around 6000 BC. G. Rice cultivation began in China before 500 BC. True or false? (3a) They collected the fruits and seeds of the trees and took some of them to the caves where they stayed at night. After eating the fruits and seeds, the primitive people threw the waste fruits and seeds near the place where they took refuge. Some of the seedlings grew spontaneously in the pile of discarded seeds. Again, in the forest, some similar seedlings grew under and around the trees from which they collected fruits and seeds. After a few days, the seedlings grew and produced the same seeds and fruit. Early man thus gained experience and knowledge of the growth of trees in the soil. B. Trees bore fruits and seeds only at specific times of the year, and the human population was increasing. It became difficult to find food and hunt in the forests. In this situation, people discovered agriculture as a new way to gather food. C. Early agriculture. Initially, people used stone tools, tree branches, animal horns, and bones to cultivate the land. The plow was first used in Mesopotamia around 4000 BC. At first, humans pulled the plow, and it was only later that they learned to use animals for plowing. D. Permanent settlement. The main reasons for humans to settle permanently were: 1. Protection from wild animals, poisonous insects and snakes. 2. Difficulty in finding food in the forest. 3. Need for a shelter near agricultural fields to protect crops. Due to these reasons, humans started living permanently near rivers and lakes, leading to the formation of villages. With permanent settlement, humans had security, food availability, and the opportunity to observe natural phenomena, leading to the concept of gods or supernatural powers. A. People started living temporarily and then permanently near agricultural fields along rivers. As they settled in specific areas to take care of their fields, populated areas emerged and villages were formed. F. The invention of the wheel was a significant milestone in human civilization. Along with agriculture and permanent settlement, initially, people used tree trunks to move heavy objects. Later, they invented the wheel. The wheel enabled humans to transport heavy objects with less effort and time.